Hi, my name is Enes Inke from Huawei Developers, and welcome to the Huawei tutorial series. Huawei Mobile Services ML Kit has many services in various categories. Today, we're going to check the services which are related with voice: automatic speech recognition, text-to-speech, audio file transcription, sound detection, and real-time transcription. These services are currently available only on Huawei and Honor devices, which require EMUI 5 or later. And importantly, some services have limitations based on region and country of your Huawei ID account, such as a voice service may not support some languages in a country. These limitations are explicitly described on official documents of ML Kit voice services. Let's go through each service and features. Automatic Speech Recognition Service can recognize speech and convert the input speech into text in real time. This speech is shorter than 60 seconds, and currently Mandarin Chinese, including Chinese-English bilingual speech, English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, and Arabic can be recognized. As in the figure, this service can be used as a voice search feature. A speech command can be converted to text, and the obtained text result can be used to query a search result in your app. Automatic speech recognition has real-time result output, and it is available with and without Speech Pickup UI. It supports endpoint detection. Starts and endpoints can be accurately located. With silence detection feature, performance is improved by avoiding sending empty voice packets for silent parts of the voice. Furthermore, it empowers your app with an intelligent conversion to digital formats. For example, the year 2020 can be recognized from voice input. The table shows the available languages based on regions and countries. Text-to-speech service can convert a text into an audio output in real time. Rich timbres are provided and the volume and speed can be adjusted. Thereby, natural voices can be produced. It supports the download of offline models. You can use text-to-speech in two ways: using On-Device Kit to download packages into your app, or using cloud service to perform online requests. In the current version, 2 standard male voices and 6 standard female voices are available. The table shows available languages and timbres. The Audiofile Transcription service converts an audio file into text. Supported maximum audio file size is 300 MB or 5 hours duration. Currently, English and Chinese languages are available. The transcription service also provides punctuation and automatically generated segments of words and sentences in order to achieve easy understanding, along with start and time detections of the human voice. Supported file formats are WAV, M4A, AMR, and MP3. Real-time transcription service. This service enables your app to convert long speech into text in real time. The maximum duration of the speech is 5 hours. The generated text contains punctuation and timestamps similar with audio file transcription. Currently, Mandarin Chinese, including Chinese-English bilingual speech, English, and French can be recognized. This service requires internet connection during integration and usage as it depends on cloud APIs. Sound detection service. This service is able to detect sound events in real-time recording mode. The detected sound events can help you perform subsequent actions. Currently, the following types of sound events are supported, such as laughter, child crying, snoring, sneezing, or car horns, doorbell, or fire alarms. Multiple sound events that occur at the same time are not supported. However, the interval between 2 events are minimum 2 seconds, and the interval between 2 events of the same kind are minimum 30 seconds. Now, let's do some coding practice by integrating ML Kit's audio file transcription service. First of all, let's go to console and enable ML Kit service for our project. Visit developer.huawei.com and after signing with your Huawei ID, click Console. Go to App Gallery Connect. Click My Projects button and select your project. From Project Settings, click Manage APIs tab. All available Huawei Mobile Services kits will be listed. Find ML Kit by scrolling down and switch it on. Now, we are ready to empower our app with Huawei Mobile Services ML Kit. I will open an empty Android project, add dependencies in the build Gradle file under App folder. Now, we will open main activity in the project and start some coding inside on create method of main activity. Firstly, let's call setAccessToken method by providing API key of the project. The API token is provided in project settings screen in console. Let's initialize the audio file transcription engine and set a listener object to process the results. Then, customize the setting object. The input file language is expected to be English. We will disable word time offset, but enable sentence time offset, which will return start end times of each sentence in the source audio file. Then enable punctuation that will help to return dots, commas, question marks between sentences. Later, let's add a sample audio file. This one I previously uploaded to the internal file system of my test device. Then, reference the file path and obtain its URI. Lastly, we will launch our engine by calling short-recognize method, passing URI and setting objects. Now, let's take a look at our listener object, which will help us to process results. Let's create an ml-remote listener object and implement its methods. OnResult method will be triggered when the results are being received. When the result is completed, let's get all the sentences and loop it. OnError method returns the error code and the message if there is an error during configuration or transcription task. Let's run our app and see the result. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information, you can visit developer.huawei.com.